Everyone, this is a quick tutorial where I can teach you how to remove the text from the video. As you can see here, we do a video with this text right here. It's my domain, tonyverse.com. You can just go and check that out there, our new products and services. So what we're going to do now, we have to remove this from the video. So you can use these features for removing the text on products or the videos you done in other sources. How to do that is very simple. First of all, the you have to create the size here on Canva based on your needs. So if you need that for YouTube, you have to use this width and this height. If you need that for something else, you have to use different things. So create a design, upload the video, same as I have done here, and now follow my instructions. Simply go to this part or this part here and drag it like this. And now, as you can see, is removed from the video. And there is no blur, there is nothing else. Everything looks perfect. Any question, simply leave your comment and let me know. Thank you.